talk to Big Brother about last night's nominations.
Okay, last night nomination.
That was wild, bro. Bro, you really shocked us. Biggie.
I told Ricky during the arena game, I was like, I feel like Sheba is fake.
Now, Sheba goes first, if I remember correctly. And Sheba doesn't take Tram with her. I think that got to him. Because I also noticed that last week, when I went to do my own session and I didn't take him, he sort of felt some form of spite.
I thought Aiko was going to save me, but he explained the reason as to why, because he thought I was going to be saved by other people.
I think everyone now is getting to understand that this whole thing is a game.
Yesterday, I wasn't surprised when she didn't choose me to save me, when I saw Tammy and Godessa.
Only one person. That's why I knew that she was going to add me. And if she didn't add me, that's only. For no say yes, I'm in soup. I'll be up every week.
I think I liked what she did, Big Brother, because we got to see the alliances or the friendship or whatever. We got to see it last night.
Yeah, there was a lot of tension and we realized a lot. And I'm very sure that was the plan, right? Because we've been too familiar with each other. Everyone is trying to act like, oh, this is my bro, this is my sister. So I'm like, we need to stop all that.
At the end of the day, I think I just have either I'm really dumb or I just have a very soft heart. I've not decided yet. I'm leaning towards the dumb one.
But one thing that surprised me was Gerard getting one save for me. Because I felt like when we were in the arena, people were like, Gerard should win the HA so that we will not be up. He has been up for too much. He has been, for 5 weeks, for 4 weeks. Let him win the immunity, something like that. Nobody had them for the saving.
But it was actually interesting, so that some people will know who got their back and who doesn't.